Welcome back to Urban Auto Visionary. Forget supercars because America has brought back one of the most dangerous and legendary performance machines of all time. The 2026 Dodge Viper makes a shocking return, and it stays true to its wild reputation with brutal power, aggressive design, and an attitude that refuses to be tamed. From the outside, the 2026 Dodge Viper looks absolutely menacing. The long hood, wide body, and low stance instantly signal that this is a car built for serious performance. The design pays homage to the classic Viper with its muscular curves and massive hood vents, while modern LED lighting and sharper aerodynamic details bring it firmly into the modern era. Large side exhaust outlets, aggressive front splitters, and a sculpted rear with a performance diffuser make the Viper look like a predator waiting to strike. This is not a subtle car, and it doesn't try to be. Inside the cabin, the Viper surprises with a more refined yet still hardcore interior. The cockpit is focused entirely on the driver, with a thick, flat-bottom steering wheel, a digital instrument cluster, and a performance-oriented center console. High-quality leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber are used throughout, giving the interior a premium feel without losing its raw edge. The seats are deeply bolstered to keep you locked in during high-speed driving, and the infotainment system offers modern connectivity like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, though it's clear that performance takes priority over luxury. Performance is where the 2026 Dodge Viper earns its dangerous reputation. Under the hood lives a massive, naturally aspirated V10 engine, producing well over 700 horsepower. This power is sent directly to the rear wheels, delivering explosive acceleration and an intense driving experience that demands respect. The Viper can rocket from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just over 3 seconds, with a top speed that pushes deep into supercar territory. Advanced suspension tuning, massive brakes, and a track-focused chassis help keep this beast under control, but it still rewards skilled drivers and punishes mistakes. This is a car that delivers pure, unfiltered driving excitement. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Dodge Viper sits at the high end of American performance cars. Expected starting prices are around $120,000, with higher trims and track-focused versions climbing closer to $150,000. While this places it above many muscle cars, the Viper offers a level of raw performance and exclusivity that few cars can match. This is not just a car you buy, it's a statement. The 2026 Dodge Viper is not about comfort or compromise. It's about power, danger, and passion. It represents a bold return to a time when cars were built to thrill first and comfort second. Thanks for watching Urban Auto Visionary. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insane automotive comebacks coming your way.